Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the trace input settings. Let's just have a quick intro here. Well, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different videos or software we do cover, and also we do upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, this is a follow-up on a series we're doing on the trace image. So we'll put in the description links to some previous videos and later videos. So if you want to follow the series, it's a good, you can do it through the description there as well. It is quite an in-depth feature we have here, so we unfortunately have quite a lot we have to cover. So in any case, to locate the trace image, we'll be going on top here to trace. You click that, then it'll bring up the trace image properties. We've already done an overview of the user interface. So like I say, just follow on previous tutorials if you're not sure. This is in depth. We're going to go now in depth about the input, and then at another time the output, and then output preview. But in any case, with the input, to select your image you would like to trace, then you can choose an image by this little button you get. Then navigate to where it is, open it, and now here you will see under that button, now we've got the file's name and its resolution. So this is not a very good one for tracing, but because it's monochrome, it can come out nice. But in general, you want to make sure your resolution that is quite high. We have a video on the rules of tracing to help have a more consistent outcome. But in any case, so now let's look at the settings here. So then, so first off, we've got the mode. So depending on what type of image you're trying to trace and so forth, we've got monochrome, color layers, and a single color. We'll cover each one of these more in depth as we go along. Then we've got the use alpha. This is if your image has an alpha layer, it is good to then enable. Then it'll make an alpha selection of it. And just on the import, so if we go here to import and we go to the bottom here, all files that you can import, which is raster, is a bitmap, so BMP, a GIF file, JPEG, and PNG. Now PNG supports alpha channels or transparent backgrounds. So that is the format we do, that VinylCut does support for importing. Then we've got here the resampling. So if you want to have more precise tracing, then you can always increase this setting. Then we on the other side we have the Speckle. So this will ignore speckles and stuff like that when you import. So if there's little fine speckle details, this will ignore it, which is a good setting to leave on if your raster is not too clean like this file. Or should I say if it's not too clean, where this file is rather clean. And then after that, we've got the high pass filter. This setting also, if you enable it, it helps to just clear up edges in that. So it will emphasize edges in that. So it helps also for tracing if you add the high pass filter. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basics on the input. The next up, we'll be covering the output, but that will be a whole nother video. So if we just head here to the website, so if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. We have a variety of software we cover, as you can see, and you can also isolate your search here by the search bar. Then if you don't find the videos you're looking for, you can always request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one. Cheers.